How to convert 250 microgram to milligram? We'll use this conversion equation. 1 milligram equal to 1000 microgram. So to cancel this microgram, so microgram part from this equation will be denominator, so that you can cancel. This part will be numerator. So we are getting 250 times 1 means 250 divided by 1000 milligram. 10 to the power 1 means 10, 10 to the power 2 means 100, then 10 to the power 3 means 1000. Actually 10, 100,000, these are called power of 10. To divide a number by power of 10, just count the number of zeros, move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Number of zero here is 3, so decimal point will move from right to left 3 places. As this is whole number, so decimal point will appear here 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus. So we are getting decimal 250 milligram. You can add one more zero to mean that this number is less than 1. So our answer is 0.25 milligram. You can omit this tailing 0. So this is the answer.